there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gaur from Speak Smartly with Gaur, and today I'm going to talk about that my English was also bad once. Okay, so if you are thinking like this that your English is bad, so it's okay. Today we will learn that why you shouldn't think like this, because if you are just a beginner and you are making mistakes, so it's okay. Mistakes are the proof that you are learning any language, so it's gonna be okay. And don't think that your English is bad. Okay, today we will discuss about this problem and we will sort out this problem. Okay, so watch this video till the very end because it's must gonna be helpful. Now let's get started our point. Now let's get started our topic without squandering our single minute of time. Okay, so firstly, once I said to my teacher that mm, I said to my sister that please don't, but my sister said no, it's totally a wrong sentence. You should say turn on the fan. लाइक जब हमें कहना है कि पंखा चला दो तो तब हमें कहना है टर्न ऑन द फैन. अगर हमें कहना है पंखा बंद कर दो तो तब हमें कहना है टर्न ऑफ द फैन. इट मीन्स कि हम स्विच को टर्न ऑन करेंगे या टर्न ऑफ करेंगे, हम डायरेक्टली पंखे को नहीं चलाएंगे. सो वी हैव टू यूज टर्न ऑन और टर्न ऑफ. ओके, इसी तरीके से जो भी इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल है, अगर उनको ऑन करना है स्विच से तो तब हम टर्न ऑन का यूज़ करेंगे, अगर ऑफ करना है बंद करना है तो टर्न ऑफ का यूज़ करेंगे. ओके गाइस, मतलब ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के साथ यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें किसी चीज़ के बारे में बोलना है. ठीक है. नाउ मैंने एक बार कह दिया था, मेरी टीचर पूछ रही थी, माई टीचर वाज आस्किंग दैट वेयर वेंट यू यस्टरडे. वेयर वेंट यू यस्टरडे मतलब तुम कल कहाँ गई थी ना. बट मैंने कहा आई डिडंट वेंट टू द मार्केट, मैं मार्केट तो नहीं गई थी. बट माई सेंटेंस वॉज टोटली रॉन्ग, दैट आई शुडंट यूज वेंट because did is already a second form. So what should I say? I didn't go to the market yesterday. ये सेंटेंस करेक्ट है बट जो मैंने बोला वो रॉन्ग था. ओके, I also used to make a lot of mistakes. But I had learned a lot of with the help of those mistakes. Those mistakes are evidence that I have learned it by making mistakes. Okay, and this is how you are gonna learn English. You are going to be learn English by making mistakes. So firstly you have to make mistakes. You have to create the evidences. Okay, firstly if you will make any kind of mistake, then you will try to correct that mistake. You will do self correction, and that's how you're gonna improve. For example, if you have made any sentence in a wrong way, like you have you want to make any sentence but you do not know where you can talk about the subject, where you can talk about the object, you made that sentence in the wrong way. But then your mind will immediately search about that. Like your mind will think that no, this sentence is a wrong, I have to make it clear, I have to make it in a right way. So you will definitely search about that. And when I had just started learning English, at that time I had no any kind of coaching, no fancy grammar books, just had my mobile phone and my brain. There were two things that I had. Okay, and this is what you should have. Okay, try to learn and always accept your mistakes. What kind of mistakes you are making, try to accept those. Okay, as I told you earlier that I said that open the fan, but that was totally wrong, because door can be opened, not fan can be opened. Fan can be turned on and door can be opened. So there are some kind of rules that we have to learn for learning English. But firstly we have to start speak out. We have to start speaking in English. If you really want to improve your communication skills, if you really want to brush up, it's okay. So try to make mistakes. Okay, then the next thing, try to listen for 15 minutes every day in English. Okay, this is the thing that is gonna improve your listening skills and also your pronunciation skills. For example, I listened a lot to Mr. Bean and Peppa Pig. Okay, and I have learned many things from those videos, like oh no, no worries, yummy, tasty. Like, I have learned a lot of things. I have learned a lot of words from there, from those kind of videos, by just listening to those videos. Those videos are very basic. Okay, those videos are just particularly for kids. But if you have just started learning English, you are also a kid in English. You have to start English, you have to start learning English like a kid. So try to listen kids learning videos. Okay, and there are also stories in English like Tenali Rama. Okay, you could simply search about Tenali Rama stories and you will get a lot of stories in English. Try to listen those, and you will be improving your English while listening to those videos, because those videos, those stories have a lot of English and a very simple and basic English. So you are going to be learn a lot. And try to invest your time. Whenever you have time, try to speak in English. For example, right now I'm sitting, so I could simply say that I'm sitting and I'm talking in front of the camera. If I'm like making something by the help of color paper, so at the time I could simply say that I am going to make a boat by the help of color papers. I will cut the color papers and I will stick them with each other and I will make a beautiful boat. Okay, and that would be my toy for playing. Okay, so try to talk about everything what are you doing in English. Try to talk about that in English. Try to describe those things in English, and this is how you're gonna improve. Don't think that your English is wrong or your English is bad. Okay, try to listen a lot, try to speak a lot, and if you are making sentences in the wrong way, that's okay. Try to do self correction, and that's how you're gonna improve. And that's all for today, guys. If you have learned something from this video, please click the subscribe button and like this video and share it as much as you can. Thank you.